Every second counts in a fire. But for seniors, traditional smoke alarms aren't always enough. They may be too loud, too confusing, or simply not connected to caregivers. That's why today, we're reviewing the best smart smoke detectors for seniors, so you can protect your loved ones with safety you can trust. Did you know older adults face almost twice the risk of injury or death in house fires? Smart smoke detectors bridge that gap by speaking in plain language, sending phone alerts, and making sure alarms never fail silently. Let's look at the top options available right now. Click the link in the description to read our complete guide and choose the right smart smoke detector for your family today. Because when it comes to protecting seniors, safety isn't optional. It's peace of mind.